Hi, my name is Sahil Sabhlok and I have recently joined the Marriott family as executive chef at the Westin Pune Koregaon Park. This 14 years have been a journey with spice, sugar and salt to the tongue. The best part about my profession is that not even a single minute you can sit down and there is not even a single moment that you don't learn anything from it. I started my career with the Taj, then moved on to the Starwood and recently have joined from the Claridge's New Delhi. My mantra throughout has been that the taste matters, and that is why I love the feeling when I see a diner leaving my restaurant with a happy face. One thing which I have learned from my mentors is that no matter if you cook for one person or for 1,000 people, just learn and remember that cook with class.